students, in previous class we see the formula, that is Heron's formula for finding the areas of a triangle, area of triangles. Okay, so one example I have done. So today we discuss about the example 2 and 3 before going to the exercise. Okay, so example 2 is a lengthy problem, but not this type of complex. Okay, if you understand once, then you can solve it. So on the screen your problem is, or you can see in your textbook or any source. Okay, so the problem is, that is a triangular park. Okay, in the earlier of the Heron's formula I will discuss that triangular park, triangular board, okay, triangular signal in a road. This type of problem are solved in this chapter. Okay, so a triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. Okay, a gardener, Dhania, has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside it. Okay, one work is to fence all around and the plant grass inside it, the part. Okay, how much area does she need to plant? Okay, so we have to find the area from this data, and then another part is the question is find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of 20 per meter, as 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. Okay, in this triangular park a gate is a down, that is the 3 meter wide, or the length is 3 meter. Okay, so we have to find the area and also find the cost of fencing. Okay, so find the cost of fencing. It means the fencing question is a fence all around it. So remember that I also told that that perimeter क्या है? Okay, so perimeter is the total length of the borderline. To fence a fence all around it means we have to fence the borderline. It means we have to find the perimeter first, then we have to find the cost of fencing. Okay, we have to find the perimeter first, then we have to find the cost of fencing, and area will be calculated according to by applying Heron's formula. Okay, so let's solve it. So here is the solution of the example 2. Okay, the question have two parts. One is the area part, we have to find the area, and another one is the perimeter and cost of fencing part. Okay, so this is area. Okay, that is I find this is your area. Okay, so to find the area we have A, B, C is here, and then we have to find the 2S, that is A plus B plus C, that is your perimeter. But we have to find the S value, that is your semi perimeter, that is perimeter upon 2, that is 125 centimeter. Then we have to find the area, that is S is multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so that is in this way I can solve this. The answer is 375 square root of 15 centimeter square. This is the area. Okay, this is the first part of your example 2, solution of your first part. Then we go to the second part. Okay, you can note it. Okay, but another concept is here that a gate is done. Okay, a gate on the park is done. A triangular park contain a gate. Okay, the figure in this way. This is A, B and C. Okay, this is the gate. and this length is how much? That is 3 centimeter. So this is your perimeter 2s. Okay, this is your perimeter, but question is, this is not fencing. Okay, this gap is not fencing, so we have to subtract the fencing perimeter. That is your fencing perimeter, fencing length. Okay, that is perimeter minus 3 centimeter. That is the length of gate. Okay, the width of gate or the length of gate. That this area, this part is not fenced, so we have to subtract or the minus this area. We have to reject this area from our fencing length. So what is the fencing length? That is 250 minus 3 centimeter. That is 247 centimeter. Okay, this is your fencing length. Okay, so then we have to fence, but the question is the fencing area. Sorry friends, the length is in meter. Okay, so just you have change it into the meter. Okay, it is in meter. In also the area formula, you have so simply add the meter square. Okay, in place of centimeter square, you only add meter square. Okay, so not this is centimeter square. So 247 meter in this way. So this is our fencing length, but per meter, so per meter fencing cost is how much? That is 20. Okay, 20 rupees. So total fencing cost must equal to 247 per meter. 1 meter, for 1 meter we have 20 rupees. For 247 meter, that is 247 multiplied with 20. That is 0, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 9. So this is your cost. This is your cost of fencing. Okay, the area is 375, 15 meters square. This is your area, and this is your fencing cost. Okay, so this is your fencing cost. So in this way, you can solve this type of problem: triangular path, triangular board, triangular signal board. Okay, triangular field. In this way, you can solve. Okay. So here is the example 3. Okay, the question is, the sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7, and its perimeter is 300 centimeter. Okay, so find the area. Sorry, 300 meter. Okay, so find the area. So for area, we have mostly have A, B, and C. Yes or no? And as these two parameters are required to find the area. So see, the ratio of sides are given. That is A is to B is to C. This is given. That is 3:5:7. So I have taken from this ratio. I have taken that, let A equal to 3x, B equal to 5x, and C equal to 7x. Okay, but perimeter, that is 2s, is equal to A plus B plus C. That is 3x plus 5x plus 7x. That is 15x. Yes or no? 15x. But according to the question, given that perimeter is 300 centimeter, so this 15x must be equal to how much? 300 meter. So according to the question, 15x is equal to 300 and x is equal to 300 upon 15, that is 20. Okay, so the value of x is 20, but per area we have required a, b, c and s. So from x we can find all these. Okay, see how can we find. So the value of a is how much? That is 3x. So 3 is multiplied with 20, that is 60. Similarly, b is how much? That is 5x. That is 5 is multiplied with 20, that is 100 meter. And c is how much? That is 7x. That is 7 is multiplied with 20, that is 140 meter. So this is a, b and c. Then we can easily find the semi-perimeter. Okay. From this we also can find the semi-perimeter. Okay. Perimeter is 300. So semi-perimeter is how much? Just divide 2 on the perimeter. We can find the semi-perimeter. Okay. So this is the semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter, that is S equal to 2s upon 2, that is 300 we have, that is 300 upon 2, that is 150. This is the value of S. So S, A is here, B is here and C is here. So you can easily find the area according to the Heron's formula. Okay. So it is completed. So I have the data here. So area equal to S multiplied with S minus A multiplied with S minus B and multiplied with S minus C. Okay. So I have S is 150 multiplied with 150 minus A, that is 60, and 150 minus B, that is 100, and 150 minus C, that is 140. Okay. So that is 150 multiplied with, that is 90 multiplied with 50 and 10. Okay. So that is this gives this gives the square root of this gives 1500 root 3 meter square. Okay, this is your area. So by using Heron's formula we can find the area. Okay, in the next video we will solve the exercise problems. Okay, so first we have to remember this formula very easily. Okay, and how can you find S, how can you find A, B, C from the given perimeter? This you have to remember, we have to practice. Okay, then we have to go to the exercise in next class. Thank you.